Chapter 9. Light, Sound and Force. Introduction. Light, sound and force are very important for all of us. Light is useful to see the things. Sound tells about the world and force is used to push and pulls. In this chapter you will study about the light, sound and force and their kinds and uses. You see the things all around with the help of light. You hear different kinds of sounds with the help of ears. You move many things by applying force on them. All these activities are a part of your daily life. Light. The sun is the natural source of light on the earth. Light enables you to see the objects all around. Other than the sun, there are some man-made sources of light like tube light, bulb, candle, etc. All these objects that give light are called luminous objects. Objects like table, chair and pencil do not emit light. These are known as non-luminous objects. These objects are visible only when light falls on them. Exploring how light moves. Objects that allow light to pass through them are called transparent objects. Objects that allow some light to pass through them are called translucent objects. Objects that do not allow any light to pass through them are called opaque objects. Shadow. When an object blocks the path of light, a shadow of that object is formed. A shadow is a dark patch and is formed in the direction opposite to the source of light. The following conditions are required for formation of a shadow. Presence of light. Presence of an object. Presence of surface. The shadow of any object is sometimes bigger and sometimes smaller than the actual size. During the daytime, we can see shadows formed due to light of the sun falling on various objects. Shadows are longest during the morning and evening hours. They are shortest in the afternoon. Sound. Ears are one of your sense organs. They help to hear the sounds in everyday life. You hear many different types of sounds every day. Sound is produced when you talk, sing, play a musical instrument, etc. Soft and pleasant sounds are good to hear. They make the surroundings pleasant. Sounds like horn of vehicle and loud music are harsh and make you uncomfortable. Such sounds are called noise. Noise is harmful for everyone. Force. A force is a push or pull that causes an object to move or stop moving. It can also change the direction and shape of an object. Effects of force. Force can speed up a moving object. Force can move a resting object. Force can change the direction of a moving object. Types of forces. There are many types of forces. 1. Frictional force. Friction is caused when two objects touch or rub each other. It is a kind of force that slows down the movement of any object. The more the friction, the lesser is the speed. That's why it is difficult to walk on a rough road because friction is more, but you slide on a smooth surface because friction is less. 2. Muscular force. The force exerted by your muscles is called muscular force. This force is used to push, pull or lift the things. 3. Mechanical force. The force used by machines for moving objects is called mechanical force. A crane uses mechanical force to lift the heavy objects. 4. Gravitational force. The force that pulls the objects downwards towards the center of the earth is called gravitational force or force of gravity. All the things that are thrown in air come back to the earth because the earth attracts everything towards its center.